Reloading. Reloading. Hey, look out. Reloading. Reloading.
Tongue guy.
Reloading. Look out. Reloading.
Heads up.
Gotta reload. Reloading. We got gold.
Reloading here.
Oh, what the hell did that thing just do? Reloading here.
Damn zombies and
Green thing. Reload. Axe. Guess those suits don't stop fights. Frag rounds here. Deploying frag rounds.
I dare you. Yeah.
Mall must be close.
We should stay clear of her.
What's with the suits?
Reloading. Ah! Who the hell do you think you're shooting?
Shit! Do not shoot me.
reloading.
Hey, that's not cool. Seriously.
Can we stop shooting each other?
Watch out!
Look out now!
Reloading. Taking a shotgun.
I'm reloading.
Hey, someone's here.
Over the dumpster.
Screw this. Pipe bombs.
One of those charging.
You do that again, we're very... Adrenaline shot here. Pills here. Pills here. Pills here.
Yeah, somebody gonna need these. That'll hold me.
Pills here.
We're gonna need these.
Ammo
Look at
here.
this.
I think these guys are fired.
Reloading. Molotov.
Reload.
Let's be careful. Molotov. Molotov here.
Oh, damn.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Stay off my back. Reloading.
We're heading the right way.
Weapons here! Come on.
Molotovs.
This way.
Cool. Grenade launcher.
Gun store's just down these stairs.
Reloading. Reloading! Molotov!
Got it, Nick!
That thing is too dang big.
Hold up, I'm gonna heal.
One of those charging things.
Let's grab some guns. We got shit to shoot. Hurry it up!
Laser sight here.
Man, this hurts. Hey, can somebody watch my back? I'm gonna heal.
First aid kit here. Hey man, hold up.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
healing.
Right.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
All good now.
Okay, we ready?
Hello there. I barricaded myself on the roof with ample provisions. But in my haste, I forgot coal. So here's my proposition. If you go find me some coals at yonder food store, I'll clear the path to the mall for you.
Try and be careful.
Man needs his snacks.
Everybody be careful. Ready? Ready? No! We ready? We ready? We ready? We ready? We ready? Everyone ready? Relax, relax, I'm coming! I got his cola, let's go! Tits!
Throwing a pipe bomb!
Reloading! Got the cola!
Reloading.
Reloading.
Let's let go! Quick! Put it in the fire!
That is how you clear a path. Stop shooting me. Little gun.
Gotta reload!
Watch out!
Have you lost your mind?
Reloading here! Are those guys fireproof?
I'm reloading.
Reloading!
Great, we're heading
Reloading.
to the mall.
Leaper!
Reloading.
I don't know who started this shit, okay? Let's just stop the friendly fire right now. Heads up! Come on!
That's what I'm talking about. I'm all wrapped up.
Reloading!
I need this. Healing!
Okay. Evacuation centers aren't
Better.
required.
I'm not legally allowed to own a gun. Oh, just hang on.
What the
Let me
hell
heal
are you
you.
doing up there? Get inside!
Sorry, I can't go any faster. Oh, yeah.
I'm starting to like you guys!